2 health centers in Nairobi to actualize the universal health objective of our administration, which is a critical pillar of our agenda. We continue to invite and learn from the expertise of countries like Iran, which has achieved a great degree of advancement in medicine and modern medical technology. I have also expressed our commitment to His Excellency that in this year's budget we have eliminated taxes on the manufacture of medical equipment and pharmaceutical products, and Iran should take advantage of that opportunity and set up industry in Kenya. The blue economy is one critical area where we can demonstrate the merits of our plan. To align the undeniable opportunities in the blue economy, we must invest capital and technology where it creates more jobs, at the bottom of the economic pyramid. In the spirit to further enhance our bilateral relations, Iran has agreed to boost our exports and exploits and